Ciao, my name is Rosa and I'm an Italian lifestyle consultant. Today I'm going to share a very easy and quick recipe. Pepperoni al gratin, peppers gratin style. And I'm going to use the Mantuano unfiltered oil. I'm going to use 4 spoons of extra virgin oil. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Be generous. I'm going to add some garlic. I put 2 cloves of garlic and I cut 4 peppers. Once the garlic becomes golden, add half a cup of capers. I'm going to add the 4 peppers. And now I'm going to add the black olives. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of more juice, a pinch of salt, more. The last touch is breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs. This is a cup, I'm going to use half a cup. The parsley, Mantuano. Buon appetito! Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, follow us on our social medias and check more recipes on our website farmersfromitaly.com. Ciao e arrivederci!